We have here is a 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. Nice, beautiful morning to be out here working on it. One nice, easy improvement to increase fuel economy in these vehicles is this right here, this air raid modular intake tube. All it simply does is the old, nice, gigantic hammerhead shark designed intake tube that has a bunch of heat risers on both sides. That allows a lot of hot air to go into the engine, which actually reduces performance in an engine. So this tube simply just disconnects right here. Take your old tube out, unhook it from the throttle body, and install this new tube right here. Still has the old PCV ports hooked right in. It's all part of the kit. It's a simple swap. You still retain the factory air box, so air filters are cheap and easy to acquire and come by anywhere as you go. It's a nice simple improvement. We have gained a mile to a mile and a half per gallon of fuel economy by just a simple tube swap.